Good evening. I am Dr. Suman Bhandari, Director Cardiology at the Scott Heart Institute and also the Vice President of National CSI. I would be delivering a talk tomorrow on high bleeding risk during PCI. We know that 30% of people in the West have high bleeding risk defined by age or chronic renal failure or being fragile or having cancer and such other diseases like anemia, etc. It is now being understood that we can tackle these patients with PCI using antiplatelets, dual antiplatelets for a very short time, maybe 1 month, and then going on to either clopidogrel or ticagrelol or low dose prasugrel 5 milligram in a long-term basis. We also are now exploring possibility of de-escalating, that is after a month or 3 of dual antiplatelet, switching to clopidogrel alone or switching to aspirin alone or switching to just ticagrelol alone. More and more aspirin is being removed from the armamentarium, and some trials are even focusing on starting right away with ticagrelol and giving aspirin only on 1 day. Thanks.